Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, as I posted, Microsoft rolled out the latest optional bug fix C release update for Windows 11 24H2, which was KB5052093, and I posted on this update, and I'll leave that video link down below and in the end screen. Now, as I mentioned in that video, I had to manually download and install the update. You can see the description is a lot smaller compared to the other listings, and that's because for the second month in a row, the end of January, end of Feb, the update was not showing up on my Windows update page, even if I had the toggle turned on to get updates as soon as they were available and are available. Now, there could be a reason for this, and it's not confirmed by Microsoft, but there are reports doing the rounds online, and this is also according to some posts over on Microsoft's Feedback Hub, that the update is actually failing to install due to the error 0x800F0993. So basically because of this, Microsoft has pulled the update. Now, this is not confirmed by Microsoft, but this is according to Feedback Hub posts and reports doing the rounds online. So I cannot actually confirm that Microsoft has pulled it, because I have seen a couple of comments on the channel that some viewers have not seen the update. It hasn't shown up on the update page, even with the toggle to get the updates as soon as they are available turned on. So, although not confirmed, I think there's a very good chance that Microsoft may have pulled this update. And there's also posts over on Reddit where Black Ops 6 fails to launch. So there's a couple of gaming issues as well. So the big one here, I think, though, is that the update is failing to install with that error. So because it is a preview optional update, Microsoft may have pulled it. And I always suggest, if you don't have any issues with your system, rather leave the optional updates that roll out near the end of the month alone, because they will roll out with the Patch Tuesday update. Now, because the update may have been pulled by Microsoft, next week, Tuesday, the 11th, is Patch Tuesday, where we get our compulsory cumulative update rolling out for March. So hopefully Microsoft would have ironed out those issues, because those improvements and fixes and so on will be bundled with the update that rolls out next week. So we certainly hope that Microsoft has addressed those issues. So as I've mentioned, not official confirmation by Microsoft, but I think due to what I'm seeing online and what I'm seeing in the comments on this channel, there's a very good chance that Microsoft has pulled the update. And just on a side note, if you really want the update, maybe you've got an issue on your system and you need it to get patched, then what you can do is you can head over to the Microsoft Update Catalog online. You enter the KB number, and then you can download and install the update manually like I have for the last 2 months. And if you don't know how to download and install an update manually from the Update Catalog, I have posted a video that has helped quite a lot of folks out previously. I'll leave that link down below in the end screen, because that will take you through a step-by-step process on how to do that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.